Hi everyone, welcome back again with another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you that how you can create different type of image variations. Okay, this is the continue series, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create different variation, right? As you can see here, I have this image which is the AI generated image of Gyarados, and he's around a he's wrapped around a building, right? And what we want is that I want him to smash his head inside the building. So I said, make him smash his head inside the building. It looks so cool. You can see after I gave this prompt, you can see some debris falling down from the building. You can see. And after that, I gave show the top half part of the building completely broken and falling down. It didn't work that well, but you can still see there's more of debris and smoke coming out, and it looks very much, realistic and good. As if you zoom in, you can actually see everything detailed, right? Then after that, I gave show completely and entirely demolished building and only Gyarados standing. So you can see here, and now you can see the building have been, entirely collapsed. You can see it's basically, I wanted to remove the building, but still not able to, properly remove the building out of the image. Okay, because now you can see Gyarados is, inside the building. Okay, so what we want is I want to remove the building. This is the main concept. In order to do that, I uploaded the image again, and then I said show no building left, just small debris in bottom and only Gyarados standing. So you can see here there is only Gyarados standing here and there is no building, right? If you zoom in, you can see the clarity. It's so clear, right? So actually you can create a cinematic scene by such type of prompts. You can generate the images, and these images you can give to a video generator like Hail AI, right? There are different type of AI video generators are there from image you can generate. So first, what I did, I added the image and I make him smash the head inside the building. You can see some variation was there. Then I added more variation, make the building broken down. Okay, and then in order to remove the complete building, in the ending I said show no building left and just small debris in bottom and only Gyarados standing here. Because of that, now you can see only Gyarados here and the complete building has been demolished, right? So you can actually create such type of epic content by Google AI Studio. Okay, AI, use Google AI Studio. Okay, and that's it. I hope you have loved this tutorial and understood something new. You can try your own variations with different type of images and create a storyline, right? So I hope you loved it. Please like and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and comment down what else you want to learn. I will bring that topic to you. Okay? I will try to explain the best I can. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.